A statue, this is statue 1.6 meters tall. This is 1.6 meters tall. Stands on a pedestal. This is called pedestal. From a point on the ground, this is the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue. From here, when observed the top of the statue, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. From the same point, from this same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, this is pedestal and this is the top of the pedestal. When observe the top of the pedestal, the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. We have to find the height of the pedestal. Let it be h meters and this is d meters. Here are two right angles. One is green and another is pink. From these two right angle triangles, we have to find the relations. From the pink triangle, tan 60 is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to opposite side. This is complete pink is h plus 1.6 by adjacent side d. In pink triangle and green triangle, d is common. Therefore, make d as subject. D is equal to h plus 1.6 by tan 60. Therefore, d is equal to h plus 1.6 by tan 60 is root 3. This is first equation. From green triangle, tan 45 is equal to opposite side h by adjacent side d. D is common in both the triangles, therefore make d as subject. D is equal to h by tan 45. What is tan 45? 1. Therefore h by 1 is h. This is second one. LHS are equal in first and second equations. Same process. Compare the RHS. H is equal to h plus 1.6 by root 3. Root 3 into h, root 3h is equal to h plus 1.6. Bring this h to left side. Root 3h minus h is equal to 1.6. H is common in both, therefore h is common root 3 and h is common 1.6. H will be 1.6 into root 3 minus 1 becomes divided by root 3 minus 1. You have to rationalize the denominator. Means you have to change the sign in between these two and multiply with the same the numerator also. Then 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 3 whole square minus 1 square, that is 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by a square, root 3 whole square is 3, 3 minus 1 2, 2 how many times? 0.8 times, that is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meters.